problema sa ating mga members of the House of Representatives ngayon na nasa Quadcom, they think they're above the law. Sinabi na ng Supreme Court ng guidelines on how to cite for contempt. They ignore it. Alam nila kasi ang remedy sa korte mabagal. Sinabi na sa, yung pati freedom of the press, sinisikil nila, ayaw nila nakikriticize sila. Nakita niyo ba yung sinasabi ni Barbers? Akala ko pa naman, Barbers is one of the more decent ones doon sa Quadcom. Hindi rin pala. Can you imagine, hindi lang siya nag-press con na pa-imbestiga daw yung mga critics nila. Nag-privilege speech pa, ginamit pa yung mantle of parliamentary immunity para magsalita. Alam nyo, katamaran yan eh. Alam nyo, kung if he feels aggrieved, then he should file the necessary cases. Huwag yung ihahagis sa NBI yung blanket investigation. You should file a case for libel or civil damages. Kung tingin mo may mga na-insulto sa inyo, na-harm sa inyo, hindi yung tatakutin nyo by saying the NBI should investigate. I think the NBI has better things to do than investigate critics of the Quadcom na sila naman din naman ang may kasalanan kung bakit ay sila ay nakikriticize because they're being assholes in public. Oh,